International Tourism and Hospitality Management Department of Primeshi University is introducing community-based tourism and homestay in Bangladesh for the first time. First of all, we have to know what is ecotourism. Ecotourism is responsible travel to natural and cultural areas that conserves the environment and sustains the well-being of local people. Basically, ecotourism is the combination of ecological and tourism. In ecotourism, tourists respect the local community structure because they believe that it's not the problem with their dance, food, or clothes. It's just different. They don't harm the natural environment. They use only those elements that support the natural resources. There is some characteristics of ecotourism. Ecotourism must be consistent with positive environment. It's friendly with natural environment. Ecotourism is more than just sightseeing, but to experience the nature. Generally, ecotourism deals with interaction with biotic components of the natural environments. Responsible ecotourism programs include those that minimize the negative aspects of conventional tourism on the environment and enhance the cultural integrity of local people. Therefore, in addition to evaluating environmental and cultural factors, an integral part of ecotourism is the promotion of recycling, energy efficiency, water conservation, and creation of economic opportunities for local communities. For these reasons, ecotourism often appeals to advocates of environmental and social responsibility. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources, indigenous culture, geographic locations, and tourist spots. Many people from different parts of the world come to our country to visit this biodiversity here. Ecotourism provides the opportunity for not only environmentalists but also tourists to learn more about valuable biological information. In some cases, ecotourism provides sustainable economic growth for countries. Regular travel and tourism usually returns only about 20% of revenue back to local communities, while ecotourism can return as much as 95%. Ecotourism creates jobs for locals as well as promotes and preserves traditional practices. Ecotourism can also help increasing environmental awareness. Ecotourism also has some negative impacts. It may cause threats to indigenous cultures, relocation of locals, and ecosystem degradation. But this problem can be solved if proper steps are taken. If we do ecotourism regularly, our future generation will be inspired to do it too. As a result, the climate will be improved and we will get a better world where the natural resources won't be harmed.
Bye! Tada!